All right, so I've blow dried the whole thing. I did take the flat iron a little bit here. Another tip, make sure you wipe out your flat iron. Sometimes there's buildup in there. You want to make sure that there isn't. I'm gonna throw my hair in a ponytail for this probably is like day 5 of the ponytail. This time I'm not really flat ironing any of it. I'm just throwing it in the ponytail, putting a little serum in it, and then letting it do its thing. But now I'm starting to wear a tighter ponytail because of the fact that it's, I mean, you can wear a loose ponytail if you want, but I'm just wearing a tight one. So, and trust me when I tell you this, but that camera angles and things, it is not flattering for me. Oh, I just broke my rubber band. That's gonna happen, by the way. Okay, I had a backup on my wrist. My hair is much cuter than those videos, but I think it's important that you get these videos. So anyway, so then there's my ponytail, but notice how that's all up? So what I do, hence the bobby pin, you probably want different bobby pins, but I pull my hair and flatten it in the areas, and then I'll shove a bobby pin in it, because sometimes you can't get that all super smooth. So there's that bobby pin in. I also usually take this and put a bobby pin there, so then it's up and tucked. And then as the day goes, my hair will fall out, and then it'll have these like cute little things going on. All right, till tonight.